Okay, this video is going to do a little addendum to the previous video on the solution for the allowance calculator program. So something I had forgotten to put in there was to discuss this particular piece on your notes. You can't call a variable outside of a block of code in which it was declared. I'm not sure if I said that yet. So you can't call a variable outside of a block of code in which it was declared. Now I'm going to show you what the error message is, and then we'll come back and write that in there. So if we look in JGrasp here, here's that variable is declared within the room, so to speak, of the if clause, and it's got the value 10, and then we're calling for that value from outside of the if else structure. So what does the compiler think about that? And so we compile this, and so we get that error message here. So it says on line 29, which is right here, it says cannot find symbol. So it's looking for updated week allowance, and it cannot see inside this room, as we've shown before. And so it's looking in the area in which it can look in, and all it can see is it can see current week allowance right here. It can see roll num, but it can't find any memory location that says updated week allowance. So that's why it cannot find symbol, because that particular memory location is hidden within the room of the if clause. And so on our notes, what we want to write then is we want to write you get an error message, and just write in there you can't write at the error message can't find symbol. And so once you do that, you are set.